Okay, so we're going to finish up the lecture outline here, covering unification of Italy. We already did unification of Germany on a prior video. This one's going to be super short. You can see, very much like Germany, Italy here is just a collection of states that were, again, kind of loosely connected for a variety of reasons. They traded with each other. Sometimes they even fought with each other. Um, but there is no unifying aspect. There's other countries that had kind of pieces of the puzzle. You're working on DBQ that kind of supports that, right? So you had France include, France had some influence in this region, Austria in the northern parts, Spain a little bit as well. Everybody kind of had a little share of the pie here. The really only true Italian state at this point was right here, the island of Sardinia. Which is where the unification process actually starts. Um, so we're talking again, mid 1800s, 1850s ish. Again, as I mentioned, a kind of a tangle of foreign controlled kingdoms or states. Um, Austria in the northern regions, as we mentioned. France controlled just kind of that central region in here. You had Spain controlling Sicily and Naples, the kingdoms. And then you had just kingdom right here, this island that's not even part of what we consider to be mainland Italy today, was really the true Italian state. And that's where the unification process actually starts from. Um, Victor Emmanuel is kind of the father of Italian unification. He's like the Otto von Bismarck of Italy, or if you want to use that comparison. Um, he believed strongly in Italian unification, was a strong Italian nationalist, and his work and his leadership is what propelled and eventually was able to kick out the influences from France and from Austria and from Spain and eliminate those countries from having a piece of the pie in Italy and then becoming the eventual leader of a unified Italian state. So late 1850s, early 1860s, this is about the same time the American Civil War is going on, just to give you a comparison. But anyways, you see that Austria is removed through a series of conflicts. Spain is driven out. And after Austria and Spain are kind of removed from, their share of Italy, the two areas that they had controlled, the northern part, Austria, the southern part for Spain, was now unified under Victor Emmanuel as its leader. So, like I said, super short. The DBQ that you're working on, or in the process of working on, a lot more involved in terms of information. But that's just a real quick summary that gives you an idea, gets that lecture outline filled out for you. And we should be set all there for unification of Germany and Italy.